Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the hidden Leviathan. Hidden Leviathan is actually hidden inside of the area where you start the game, in that giant hole just to the southwest of the Lifepod. And in order to reach there, you're either going to need to build a bunch of diving elevators and provide yourself with some means of keeping oxygen down there, or you're going to need to have the Creative Mode, what is it? It's the Depth Module Mark II inside of Creative Mode in order to reach it. So in order to reach that particular area, at least easily, without having to sweat the details, we're going to start here at the Lifepod in our tadpole, and we're going to head over to the southwest. It really, just roughly to the southwest south, until you reach this gigundo hole, and then we're going to go to basically the very bottom. Some fun facts about the very bottom of the world is that you can actually build a base down there. You will probably need to have extra methodologies of building because, well, it's a long way down and there's no light and there's no other real ways of building stuff down here that can produce power. There's no currents, there's no hydrothermal powers or anything. There's really only the ability to go down here and produce like bioreactor power if you build a garden. I actually watched a guy who built a base down here, and I thought that was fairly amusing. He did it in survival mode, and he used a bunch of elevators spaced out in order to grow a garden on top of a base to provide himself with enough power for oxygen. So if we come down here in creative mode, it starts to play audio recordings as if we just got down here or just woke up. So there's our life pod, or where it should have been, but because we spawn up top, the life pod is actually gone. Oh no, it's still here. You can unhook it. Interesting. And it roars like there's something down here, but there is something down here, but it's further. So we're at like depth 581, which is normally well past our crush depth of the Mark I depth module. We can continue to go all the way down to the bottom until there is no more places for us to go. And you can literally just follow the wall down. It's like somewhere around depth 780, I believe. And it sounds all spooky and scary, but the sounds all emanate from one very not dangerous thing. Oh, we hit the invisible wall. So now we have to go look for it. Where is it hiding? Where are you, my sweet? Oh, did I just hit a weird... Oh, nope, that's definitely the invisible wall at the bottom of the world. So down here, along this wall, if I follow the wall, there should be the hidden Leviathan. That's a really big area down here. I didn't even realize. Ah, here it is. Here's the thing that makes all of that obnoxious noise. It's the hidden Leviathan. Look how scary and spooky he is. So he's just down here. It's literally just a ball with a frowny face on it. That is the hidden Leviathan at the bottom of this starter zone, or this starter hole. And you can drive back up when you're done looking at it. And it's, yeah, that's about it, really. It's 740 meters-ish down there. It's a little bit past the invisible wall at the bottom of the world. And it's just a little bit underneath of the starting area that you start the game out in the spookiness of the void. Spooky, spooky. And then when you get into your pod, you rocket back up through this gigundo tunnel up to the main area of the game. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. That's been how to find the hidden Leviathan at the bottom of this gigundo hole. It widens out at the bottom, so be prepared to do a little bit of driving or exploring to see it. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.